Hi friends, I'm Coderboy. In the last video, we learned how to turn user input into numbers using integer function. Today, we will learn how to make decisions in our programs. To make decisions, Python uses something called an if statement. An if statement runs code only when a condition is true. If the condition is false, Python skips that code and moves on. Let's see how it works. First, create a variable called age and give it the value 10. Now type if age is greater than or equal to 9, insert colon. When you press enter, Python automatically moves to the next line. So did you notice something important here? The new line starts a little further to the right. It has 4 spaces before it. These spaces are called indentation. Indentation means moving a line of code inward using spaces. In Python, indentation is very important. It tells Python which lines belong together. Think of it like putting code inside a special box. Any line that is indented belongs to the if statement. Any line that is not indented belongs outside the if statement. Now on the indented line type, print, open bracket, insert quotes, write your text here. Now close the quotes and close the bracket. Let's click run. Python checks the condition. Is 10 greater than or equal to 9? Guess it is. Because the condition is true, Python runs the indented print statement. We see our text here. That's great. Now let's change the value of age. Replace the 10 with 5. Click run again. This time Python checks. Is 5 greater or equal to 9? It's not, so the condition is false. So Python skips the intended print statement and nothing is printed. And that's exactly what we want. The program made a decision. Now let's talk about indentation one more time. Indentation means 4 spaces at the start of a line. And without indentation, Python cannot understand the structure of our program. And remember, if the condition is true, Python runs the indented code. If the condition is false, Python skips it. In the next video, we will learn about else if, and how to compare values in different ways. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.